Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install File Recovery Ultra on your Android phone. Open up the Play Store and you want to tap on apps. Go to top chart and you should be able to find the File Recovery Ultra app here in the list. As you can see, File Recovery Ultra. Now, if you're not able to find this in the top apps, you can always search for it by clicking on search and type it in at the top, File Recovery Ultra. As it's in my top apps, I'm going to go ahead and just install it directly from here. And that's how you can quickly go ahead and download and install File Recovery Ultra on your Android phone. Now you can see that it's installed. I'm going to click on open and click on allow right here, consent, and it's going to quickly load up the application on my phone. Here it mentions that there are 378 photos found on my device. How to restore it shows. You can fix it now. We can just click, basically the X on the upper right, and we can say okay. And yeah, these are just advertisement, by the way, so you can quickly go ahead and just move on to File Recovery Ultra right here. So what I'm gonna do here, it's currently select as English right here, so that's pretty much good to go. And in the upper right, you click on OK, and just follow the instructions to. So now once you select your language, you click on OK in the upper right, and here it's gonna restore photos. If we want to, we can choose to restore or not. I'm gonna click on skip for now, but as you can see right now, I'm in the application, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.